Great name? Jamaica Reggae Retreat, featuring Turbulence the Future.
Reggae Vibes Promotions presents Jamaica Reggae Retreat with international reggae star Turbulence. Join us in Montego Bay, Jamaica from April 18th through the 22nd, 2024. Spend 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Jamaican-owned resort on the famous Hip Strip, walking distance from the world-renowned Doctor's Cave Beach. Immerse yourself in the rich culture as you participate in a one-of-a-kind tour to 9 Mile St. Anne, the birthplace of Bob Marley.
But they told me not to smoke on the job. I'm not a good listener. So I end up lost my job 6 times. From Monday to Saturday.
Climb the stunning Dunn's River Falls and revitalize your soul in its many natural lagoons. Chat with Turbulence. Find out what inspires his music and then listen as he performs at a concert. Increase your knowledge of Rastafarianism with special 420 day activities. Visit reggaevibestravel.com for more details.
Give him a round of applause. Come on, a round of applause. We've got